everyone, so I just received my awesome case library right here. It is a case that's for my MacBook, and it is so awesome because I saw on their website how cool it looks. It's like literally a bookcase. It looks like a bookcase for your computer, which is amazing. I've never seen anything like this, and I thought it was so unique, and I'm so excited to be unboxing this. And it's just like, look how cool the packaging it comes in. It's just so cool and fancy. I'm like, oh, that's so cool. So yeah, let's open this. Ooh, how cute. They really wrapped this in this really cool, nice bow. It just looks so fancy. I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh my god, this is so cool. I've never seen anything like this. Like literally, what? This is, it's the Harry Potter kind. I kind of forgot what I ordered, but I knew I ordered one of these full cases, but it's Harry Potter. Like I literally love Harry Potter. The Boy Who Lies. Like this is Harry Potter right here. This is literally a book cover for your computer. Like what? Like this is so unique. I'm so glad they have this. So let's see, let's open this. So it has these little things where you open it, and it's really cool. It's amazing. How cool. So this is my laptop right here, and then you just put this right here. And it's perfect for like carrying it to places because people won't know that you have a computer in here. It'd be like, is that a newspaper? Like, you know what I mean? And then you just cover it. You can easily charge your computer too as well when it's in here because right here it leaves it open, that little space. You can just open it, close it, and look at how cool this is. I'm in love with it. I'm literally obsessed with it. I'm definitely gonna get some for my friends for their birthdays and stuff like that as gifts because these are awesome. And it fits perfectly in here. It's also really squishy. It'll protect my computer. I think I'm really glad actually I got this because I'm gonna be traveling soon, and I'm definitely gonna take my computer. And with this, it just really protects my computer. You know what I mean? It's really protective. I love this so much. So freaking cool. Wow. I didn't know stuff like this existed, but I'm really glad I got it. Like, look. I'm so happy. So thank you so much for watching. Like definitely check them out. Yeah, it's such an awesome high quality case. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.